This knot creates a bite that can be changed in size by pulling the standing part from this side or this side. For making this knot, we need to take the running hand, putting over the standing part like this. Let's do one turn over the bite, another one, and then put the running hand inside the loop that we have just made, and the first one right here. And then we pull. As you can see, the knot is done. If we want to change the size of the bite, we just pull the standing part under the knot or over the knot, like this.